dermatology. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shab, and today I am going to show you the February 2022 Look Fantastic beauty box, which I have here. I absolutely love the colour of this month's box. Of course, this is a Valentine's box and it is a very pretty pink colour. Let's see what we've got. Just a very strange little bubble wrap with nothing inside it. I felt like it was meant to be protecting something, but it's not in there. So, ooh, okay. So the first thing we've got is from Glove, I want to say you pronounce that. Water only makeup removers. So you get 2 heart pads in here, and it says on here, save up to 1,000 cotton pads yearly. Use with water only or your favourite cosmetic enhancing cleansing. Special cleansing fibre. It's vegan, cruelty free, and it says I'm not plastic packaging, I'm eco. Okay, so I do tend to use like micellar water with cotton pads, and yes, I do go through a lot of cotton pads, so I do like the idea of these. I've just never actually tried any. So it says how to use: wash before first use, moisten the glove heart pad with warm water or your favourite cosmetic, press the glove heart pad to your skin and gently remove makeup using circular motions, put the glove heart pad in a laundry bag and wash in the machine, or simply hand wash with a bar of soap. Once it's dry, it can be reused. So I really like the idea of these, and I will definitely give these a go. They're quite cute as well, so they come in this little zippy bag. Oh, they're really cute. Little heart-shaped, fluffy. Oh my god, my nails, please. I'm so sorry about my nails. I'm having an acrylic disaster and I'm going to be fixing them. The only thing I would say with these is that I just wish that you could, there was a hole at the bottom for you to put your fingers in, and then I just feel like that would work better. And I think you can get face pads that are like that as well, but they're still very cute. It's good that you get 2 in there as well, because obviously when you're washing one, you can be using the other one, and so on. Next thing we've got is from Beauty Pro. It is the Foot Therapy Collagen Infused Beauty. Collagen, sweet almond and peppermint. Removable toe tip. Safe to use with natural nails and gel polish. It's anti-aging and cooling formula. Dual layered beauty. So this is a foot mask, which goes right up your ankle. And it is, you leave it on for 20 minutes, you can travel with it, and it contains natural ingredients. It's cruelty free. I do really like this brand. I've used quite a few masks. I've never tried this, but I have used quite a few Beauty Pro face masks, eye masks, that kind of thing. To be fair, my feet could do with this. I have the worst feet. I just realised I've got 7 products and not 6. Next product, I already have one of these, so I'm going to save this for a giveaway, but I do really like it. It is a blusher by Lottie London, and it's an ombre blush in the shade Haze. And yeah, I already have one of these and I do use it. I really like it. So I'm going to save this actually for a giveaway. Just to let you know, by the way, that I do have a giveaway coming up very soon. They will be 2 winners, so I just wanted to give you the heads up on that. The next thing I've got is a product I have never tried. I've never heard of the brand actually. I feel like I should know who this is and I don't. So it says Bybi, I want to say BYBI, and it's Clarity Cleanse Daily Gel Cleanser. So this is a 20ml bottle. This is the packaging. It's very simplistic, I like it. Daily gel cleanser with willow bark extract, a source of natural salicylic acid, like ingredients to remove excess oil and build-up. This tube is made from sugarcane. Interesting. So yeah, I've never heard of them before, but that'll be something nice and new to try. The next thing I've got is from Balance Me. It is a vitamin C brightening eye serum, and this is a 5ml tube. Bearing in mind that it's eye serum, a 5ml tube would actually last quite a long time. It looks like I, you know, get quite a bit of use out of this. Our supercharged eye serum combines an innovative elderberry flower complex and green caffeine for a targeted treatment for puffiness, fine lines and dark circles. Fabulous! I've actually recently started to get some dark circles and some like discoloration underneath my eye. I mean, I've got concealer on, so you're not going to be able to see it, but I noticed recently, I think I've just been getting like bags under my eyes. So yeah, definitely it's good timing for that. The next product I've got is from Pixi it says Skin Treats. It is the Glow Tonic, so exfoliating toner, 15ml bottle. That is so diddy. That's really cute. But again, it's toner, so you don't use a lot. I will get a good few goes out of this so I can give it a good try. I've never used it before, but I have heard about it. And I have heard that it is very good and very nice. It says 5% glycolic acid, use AM and PM or as needed. After cleansing, apply with a cotton pad, avoiding the eye area. I have a feeling it's going to smell like oranges. It's very orange. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, we'll smell it another day. That's fine. And last product in here is from Dr. Botanicals, which I have got a few things from them actually. And it says LM, Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter, natural skincare, cruelty-free and vegan, vegan-friendly, and it's a 50ml bottle. This is the Apothecary, so sorry, natural collection, vegan, cruelty-free, 98.58% natural, dermatologically tested, gluten and wheat-free. Dr. Botanicals is a vegan and natural skincare brand from London. Our commitment is to clean beauty. That means skincare that is as close to 100% natural as possible. Your lemon rescue butter is beautiful fragrance you smell is only the 100% natural essential oils. So lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter, I'll promise to you. It has sweet almond oil, rich in fatty acids and vitamins, a great skin conditioning agent. Coconut oil, known for its great moisturising abilities. Lemongrass essential oil gives fresh, grassy, lemony and sweet aroma. Nice! This has so much information on the box, it's untrue. Multi-use balm. Use as a moisturiser, rub small amounts of the balm between your fingers, then apply to your face and massage until absorbed. Use as a treatment. Apply to any dry or cracked areas as required, such as lips, elbows and heels. Use as a cleanser. Massage a generous amount throughout your face and gently wipe away with cotton pads or a cloth. Rinse after. Okay, so that's pretty cool. It's a multi-use, it's very natural, it's got really nice ingredients, and yeah, as it says, all-in-one rescue butter. I really like the idea of using this as like an actual rescue butter for very dry or cracked areas. I do tend to suffer with dry, cracked lips quite often. They usually get quite chapped and I'm terrible for biting my lips. I just kind of drift off into my own little world and chomp. Anyway, yeah, I quite like the idea of using it for that. Okay, so that's everything in the February Look Fantastic box. Again, I have absolutely loved this box. I've never really had a box from Look Fantastic that I've not liked. So if you don't know about Look Fantastic Beauty Box, it is a subscription service that you can sign up to in different ways. So you can do a rolling contract like I do, or you can do a set 3, 6, 9 or 12 months. I love all of the products in it. I'm going to try everything. And let me know what you think down below of the box. and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.